To troubleshoot a Whoop strap that is not charging, start by ensuring the charger is properly connected to both the strap and a power source. Verify that the power source is working by trying it with another device. Next, inspect the charger for any damage or debris. Check for bent or broken pins, and clean out any dirt or dust that may be obstructing the charging connection. Try using a different charger to rule out any issues with the original charger. If the strap still does not charge, restart it by pressing and holding the button on the strap for 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for 10 seconds before pressing and holding it again for 10 seconds. This will reset the strap and may resolve any software issues that are preventing it from charging. Check the strap's battery level to see if it is completely dead. If the battery is completely drained, it may take some time to start charging. Leave the strap plugged in for at least 30 minutes to allow it to start charging. Ensure the charging port on the strap is clean and free of debris. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean out any dirt or dust that may be accumulated in the port. Avoid using any liquids or harsh chemicals that may damage the strap. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting the strap to its factory settings. This will erase all data and settings, so be sure to sync your data before doing so. To reset the strap, go to the Whoop app and select the strap from the menu. Choose the reset option and follow the prompts to complete the reset process. If the strap still does not charge after trying all of the above steps, it may be a hardware issue and require a repair or replacement. Contact Whoop support for further assistance and guidance.